Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you on this video how to install Hot IP on a Samsung Smart TV. So first you will need to click on the home button which is on the middle of the remote control. Then you go to apps. And you go to app search. And here, you type Hot IP. And here is Hot IP app. I will click on it, then click on install, and wait for it to get installed. Then click on open and wait for the app to load so the app was installed. And here, I have my MAC address that I can send either to my provider to activate it or you can do it yourself. Thanks for watching this video.